Farnborough International is home to leading exhibitions like Southern Manufacturing and Electronics, organised by Easyfairs. We caught up with Simon Farnfield, event director, to talk all about it.
So Southern is our first edition that's being run by Easyfairs. The show is made up of 540 exhibitors. So the show floor is really diverse. It has an element of the supply chain of electronics through to working machineries and materials that engineers and manufacturers need. Farnborough is a phenomenal venue, and Hall 1, which is just over there, is a great space. We've filled it completely this year with the show. As a location, it's phenomenal. You know, it's really set nicely within the southeast, easy to access, parking's free.
I've worked here with Southern Manufacturing since 2018. It was actually the very first event that we opened the Hall 1 venue with. Prior to that, it was with us for 16 years, actually, so it has a special place in my heart. Farnborough International really is your space to create the extraordinary. We have a huge range of spaces here, very flexible, modern, 2 exhibition halls with over 15,000 square metres worth of space, 100,000 square metres of outdoor space, as well as a huge range of meeting and conference facilities close to the show floor. The Farnborough team are unique in the way we support organisers. We collaborate with you to make sure your event is a success every step of the way. You have access to the full Farnborough team from marketing, operations and logistics.
We love the venue. Farnborough, it's easy to park. Yeah, it's a nice area, and we actually have a different demographic than the usual exhibition spaces.
I love the fact that Easyfairs can come to us and go, what's next? What can we bring? What can we do? And we look at it all together as a team and expand that together.
The success of that show is very much being about being at the heart of manufacturing and making friends within that sector and really understanding, you know, their pain points and who they want to meet. Why it's an important event, I think it's the UK's largest annual gathering of manufacturers. For us for a show, it really does showcase the UK's innovation and, like, in terms of what we're good at in terms of manufacturing, developing components that we see in everyday items like cars, planes, and all the things that actually Great Britain is really good at manufacturing. The people that build those, whether they be electronic PCB boards through to, you know, little components or plastic bricks or whatever it is, they find them at this event.
Well, I think here you get the manufacturing sector and the electronics sector together, and you know, it's a great place where you can get in front of businesses that perhaps you weren't able to just by social media or reaching out to them normally.
Partnership with Farnborough. Yeah, we look forward to working with them in the long term, just how we can grow the show and utilise the spaces that we have.